हेलो एवरीवन, न्यू चैप्टर शुरू करते हैं। रेस्पिरेशन पेपर 2। इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ऑक्सीजन डिसएसोसिएशन कर्व इज ए बेल शेप्ड, बी एस शेप्ड, सी नॉर्मल कर्व टाइप, डी डेल्टा शेप्ड। राइट ऑप्शन इज बी एस शेप्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पल्मोनरी वेज pressure corresponds to A. right arterial pressure, B. right ventricular pressure, C. left arterial pressure, and D. left ventricular pressure. Right option is C. left arterial pressure. Next question is, J receptors are situated by A. heart, B. blood vessels, C. alveolar interstitium, D. carotid body. Right option is C. alveolar interstitium. Next question is, in anemia the concentration of 2 or 3 dpg is A. decreased, B. increased, C. A or B, or D. not changed. Right option is B. increased. Next question is, role of 2 or 3 dpg in hemoglobin is A. unloading oxygen to tissues, B. increased affinity for oxygen, C. buffering capacity, and D. osmotic fragility. Right option is A. unloading oxygen to tissues. Next question is, closing volume of lung determines A. distensibility of lung, B. residual volume, C. small airway resistance, and D. death space. Right option is C. small airway resistance. Next question is, earliest change in high altitude is A. hyperventilation, B. decrease in work capacity, C. drowsiness, and D. polycythemia. Right option is A. hyperventilation. Next question is, the surfactant material lining the lung alveoli, A. decrease the surface tension of alveolar fluid, B. increase the compliance of lung, C. has increasingly less effect the more lungs are inflated, and D. all of the above. Right option is D. all of the above. Next question is, type 2 pulmonary epithelial cells secrete A. surfactant, B. mucus, C. heparin, and C. polypeptides. Right option is A. surfactant. Next question is, a spirometer cannot measure A. tidal volume, B. vital capacity, C. expiration reserve volume, D. residual volume. Right option is D. residual volume. Next question is, which of the following does not occur in high altitude acclimatization? A. reticulocytosis, B. increased serum erythropoietin, C. increased serum cortisol, and D. increased blood glucose. Right option is D. increased blood glucose. Next question is, hypoxia causes vasoconstriction in A. muscles, B. lungs, C. liver, and D. spleen. Right option is B. lungs. Next question is, which is the high altitude which is seen in high altitude? A. respiratory alkalosis, B. metabolic alkalosis, C. respiratory acidosis, and D. metabolic acidosis. Right option is A. respiratory alkalosis. Next question is, right shift of oxygen dissociation curve occurs in all except A. transfusion, B. shock, C. RDF, and D. CHF. Right option is A. transfusion. Pulmonary surfactant reduce the following except A. filtration forces from pulmonary capillary, B. the surface tension in lungs, C. transpulmonary pressure, and D. alveolar pressure. Right option is A. filtration forces of pulmonary capillaries. Next question is, most potent respiratory stimulant is A. oxygen, B. carbon dioxide, and C. hydrogen plus, and D. potassium. Right option is B. carbon dioxide. Next question is, smoking causes A. ciliary mortality decrease, C. cellular hyperplasia, C. C. Mucus secretion, and D. All. Right option is D. All. In normal adult, the lung is kept dry because of E. Osmotic pressure, B. Surfactant, C. Hydrostatic pressure, and D. Tidal volume. Right option is A. Osmotic pressure. Next question is alveolar arterial O2 tension decreases in all except A. Diffusion defect, B. Hypoventilation, and C. Right to left shunt, and D. Ventilation perfusion abnormally. Right option is A. Diffusion defect. Mouth to mouth respiration provides an oxygen concentration of A. 16%, B. 20%, C. 22%, and D. 24%. Right option is A. 16%. Next question is alveolar hypoventilation is present in A by E. A. Bulbar polymyelitis, B. COPD, C. Phosphoryliosis, D. Lobar pneumonia. The right option is D. Lobar pneumonia. Next question is ventilation perfusion ratio is maximum at dash lobe of lung. A. Apex, B. Base, C. Right posterior, and D. Equal in all area of lungs. Right option is A. Apex. Next question is total lung capacity depends upon A. Size of airway, B. Closing volume, C. Lung compliance, and D. Residual volume. Right option is C. Lung compliance. Next question is normal Indian gap metabolic acidosis is seen in A. Diarrhea, B. Renal failure, C. Lactic acidosis, and D. Diabetic ketoacidosis. Right option is A. Diarrhea. Next question is in the stage of gray hepatization, A. WBCs fill the alveoli, B. RBCs fill the alveoli, and C. Organisms fill the alveoli, and D. Accumulation of fibrin. Right option is D. Accumulation of fibrin. Next question is characteristic feature of viral pneumonias is A. Interstitial mononuclear infiltration, B. Intraalveolar proteinaceous exudates, C. Hyaline membrane lining alveoli, and D. Fibrotic septa. Right option is A. Interstitial mononuclear infiltration. Next question is commonest type of cell seen in bronchoalveolar lavage. A. Monocytes, B. Macrophages, C. Neutrophils, and D. Giant cells. Right option is B. Macrophages. Next question is alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency occurs in A. Emphysema, B. Bronchiectasis, C. Emphysema, D. Bronchogenic carcinoma. Right option is A. Emphysema. Next question is bronchoalveolar carcinoma present as A. hemoptysis, B. collapse, C. effusion, and D. all of them. Right option is hemoptysis. Next question is Rates index is used in diagnosis of chronic bronchitis, B. bronchiectasis, C. bronchial asthma, and D. pneumonia. Right option is A. Chronic bronchitis. And next question is good posture syndrome is characterized by A. necrotizing hemorrhagic interstitial pneumonitis, B. alveolitis, C. patchy consolidation, and D. pneumonia pulmonary edema. Right option is A. necrotizing hemorrhagic interstitial pneumonitis. Next question is sequestrated lobe of lung is commonly supplied by A. pulmonary artery, B. intercostal artery, C. descending aorta, and D. bronchial artery. Right option is C. descending aorta. Next question is the commonest cause of lung abscess. A. tuberculosis, B. congenital, C. hematogenous, and D. aspirated oropharyngeal secretion. Right option is D. aspirated oropharyngeal secretion. Next question is manifestations of lung cancer are A. acanthosis nigricans, B. dermatomyositis, C. Cerebellar degeneration, and D. Palmar-Soler keratosis. Right option is D. Palmar and Soler keratosis. Next question is, commonest type of lung carcinoma is non-smokers is A. Squamous cell carcinoma, B. Small cell carcinoma, C. Adenocarcinoma, and D. Alveolar carcinoma. Right option is C. Adenocarcinoma. Next question is, pulmonary infarction and pulmonary edema is differentiated by A. Heart failure cells, B. Necrotizing alveolar sac, C. Capillary congestion, and D. Pulmonary wedge pressure. Right option is A. Heart failure cells. Next question is, Clara cells are seen in A. Alveoli, B. bronchus, C. trachea, and D. bronchiole. Right option is D. bronchiole. Next question is, Crushman's crystals are seen in A. bronchial asthma, B. bronchiectasis, and C. chronic bronchitis, and D. Wegener's granulomatosis. Right option is A. bronchial asthma. Next question is, lung is characteristically involved in A. shrugged status syndrome, B. HSP, C. PAN, and D. ITP. Right option is A. shrugged status syndrome. Next question is, lung granuloma with necrosis are seen in A. PAN, B. TB, C. histoplasmosis, and D. Wegener's granulomatosis. Right option is A. PAN. Next question is, asbestosis of lung is associated with all of the following except A. mesothelioma, B. nodular lesion involving upper lobe, C. asbestosis bodies in septum, D. progression of lesion even after stopping exposure to asbestosis. Right option is C. asbestosis body in septum. Next question is, which of the following is associated with hypersensitive pneumonitis? A. silicosis, B. asbestosis, C. biasnosis, and D. berylliosis. Right option is C. biasnosis. Next question is, in primary tuberculosis, all of the following may be seen except A. cavitation, B. cassation, C. calcification, and D. Langerhans giant cell. Right option is A. cavitation. Next question is, Charcot-Leyden crystals are derived from A. eosinophils, B. basophils, C. neutrophils, and D. bronchial globate cells. Right option is A. eosinophils. Next question is, paradoxical respiration is seen in A. multiple fracture rate, B. diaphragmatic palsy, C. Barber polio, and D. severe asthma. Right option is B. diaphragmatic palsy. Next question is, sudden onset of cough following by increasing dyspnea in characteristic of A. pleural effusion, B. lobar pneumonia, C. myocardial infarct, and D. pneumothorax. Right option is B. lobar pneumonia. Next question is, shrinking lung syndrome is seen in A. SLE, B. systemic sclerosis, C. polymyositis, and D. dermatomyositis. Right option is A. SLE. Next question is, bilateral pleural effusion is seen in A. nephrotic syndrome, B. constructive pericarditis, C. congestive cardiac failure, and D. all. Right option is D. all. Next question is, which of the following is seen in not a feature of Tourette-Jenner syndrome? A. bronchiectasis, B. pancreatic insufficiency, C. sinusitis, and D. situs inversus. Right option is B. pancreatic insufficiency. Next and last question is, clubbing occur earliest with A. emphysema, B. bronchiectasis, C. cyanotic heart disease, and D. Crohn's disease. Right option is A. emphysema. Thank you so much. Please share.